Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you how to write a simple program in Python. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a simple program which you will ask you to enter something. You're going to enter a lot of things in the command prompt such as name and everything. After you enter, everything will be stored in a text file, okay, in a text format on the desktop. So basically that is the program we're going to write in this way. So first of all, in order to use this, I want to write while true, because you know this program will continue forever. For example, whatever you put inside while, it is going to run forever. If I going to start the program, and you can see it is going to print SSSSS forever. In order to stop it, Control plus C will be used to stop the program. Okay, here what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the user input. So I'm going to get the user input. You will understand why do I put this user input inside this while loop. So this while loop will works like this. For example, again and again this while loop is running. After it's finished the program, it's running, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm gonna get input and enter something. Okay, enter something. Then what I want to do, I want to open a file. Okay, it is pretty simple. Don't need to think in a perfect way or in an effective way. It is very easy to understand. So I want to append and T, which means I want to make a file. I want to append data to it. It is going to be a text file. Okay, then what I want to do, f.write user input plus I want something line space, okay, in a new line. So every time you enter the data, the user input is going to be stored in this file, which will be created over here. Okay, then after that I want to stop the program. So okay, I'm going to run the program. This is all you need to do. So it asks you to enter something. I'm gonna say okay, something like this. If I open the file, you can see the data has been written to us. Okay, now what I'm going to do, instead of doing like this, I'm going to first of all, I'm going to stop this. Instead of doing like this, I'm going to say when you type stop system, it is going to break the while loop. So this one is going to be very easy. For example, you have to type if user input is equal to stop, okay, stop system, stop underscore system. You have to break the loop, which means you have to stop this entire project. Okay, before that you need to tell something to the user. The system has been stopped. Okay, has been stopped. Okay, now I'm going to run this program. I'm going to enter a lot of data here, such as game, call, projects, Raglan, GL, and so on and so forth. After that I'm going to say stop system. So now the system has been stopped successfully. If I open the file, you can see all of the data has been entered one by one. So this is all about this source code. I'm going to explain once more. This while loop will run forever because we learned it in the basic section. I hope you remember this one. Okay, and when it's running, it is going to ask a user input. Okay, when the user enter the data will be stored in this variable. Listen carefully. Okay, after that we open a file. Okay, the file is going to be file.txt. Then we write the data which is written by the user with a line in a new line. Okay, after that we are checking for if the user input is equal to stop system, this block runs. Okay, but when the first time I type gr here, so it's open a file and open this file and write the data, then it is check for it. If it's not, it's going to hit over here, then it will again run and so on and so forth. So if the data is equal to stop system, what will happen? It just break this loop. So what is this is the logic behind this system. I hope you have understood this well, and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.